Now, another cool feature of Webull is this community tab, okay? And in the community tab, you can get a stream of information from Webull, from other traders, and from a whole bunch of other people that have kind of opinions on what's going on in the stock market. So there's a lot of really cool posts in here that can kind of give you a second opinion on your particular investments. So you can engage with these posts, you can comment here, you can drop posts yourself, and just kind of get more information on the stocks you're thinking about investing in. So Webull is really cool because it kind of interweaves that social media aspect. It's kind of like mixing your Twitter feed with your investments, so you can get more kind of feedback from other people on what they're doing, on what they think of what you're doing. Again, always keep in mind that like faceless people on an investing app might not be the most qualified people to give you investment advice, but just know that you can kind of get a second opinion there and maybe see some stuff that you didn't ordinarily see through the information you can get through the community tab. So there's this mainstream here where you're getting a feed of kind of information, posts, etc. from other users, from Webull themselves, things of that nature. But then you can go over here to competition as well. And they have actually competitions going on where you can do paper trading and essentially potentially win real money for paper trading if you are the best performing individuals in the competition, which is pretty cool. They've also got top news here. So if you want a feed of news that corresponds to the stock market, you can find all of that right here. And then you can also get news specific to the stocks on your watch list. So if you add stocks to your watch list and you want to get news updates on them, then you can come over to your watch list and it will give you that particular information about those stocks. And it'll show you actually down here, right below in blue, it'll say this is a news story about Tesla. This one's about Apple. And so you can quickly skim through and get updated with the companies you're invested in. Now, if you want to make a post here, what you can do is press on this pen here and you just start typing away at your post. You'll press post and then it will actually go into the feed for other people to see, comment on, engage with, so you can kind of get feedback on the investments that you're thinking about making, which is pretty cool. They've also got hashtags here, hot topics, where you can kind of look in here, see what people's goals are for 2021, scroll through there. A lot of good stuff in this community tab, okay? A lot of people don't actually utilize this, but if you are looking for second opinions or just kind of feedback from other people, it can be a really cool way to find that and engage with other people at the same time.